Hey there, Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, WDBO Radio, and it's time for the 3 big things you need to know.
Dang, that hurts.
That's right. That's right. All right, let's start off with a little good news. Lake County residents now have the ability to get down payment assistance through their down payment assistance program. So listen, if you're a first-time home buyer, meaning you hadn't owned in the last 3 years, you may be qualified for down payment assistance. Now, there's income limitations, credit score restrictions on it, but we are here as professionals and skilled in down payment assistance to help you if you're a first-time home buyer seeking some down payments in Lake County. Give us a call. My phone number is attached to this. Second big thing you need to know. Okay, first of all, matter of fact, before I get into the second big thing you need to know, I want to tell you about some people that called and kind of wanted to shellac me about telling my customers that interest rates were likely going to hit the mid 10s to even possibly the 11s. So I got calls from all over the country on this. And I got to tell you something, no apology here. No apology here. Okay. Here's why. I look at the facts. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to help you with your mortgage. I think it's a great time to buy, but we have a challenge that we have to overcome. And you don't need a trusted advisor in the finance business giving you a bunch of BS. That's not what you're looking for. You're looking for truth, honesty, and clarity so you can make an informed decision. I think interest rates are going to keep going up. I think the Fed's going to raise the Fed rate again another 3/4 a point in November. I think they're going to raise it another 3/4 to a full point in December and maybe even the first quarter of next year. So we're going to see interest rates climbing and climbing and climbing. So why would now be a good time to buy? Here's why it's a good time to buy. If you still qualify based on debt ratio because the rates are higher, it's a perfect time to buy. Granted, your payment's going to be a little bit higher, but we're going to fix that with a refinance when they drop. Because even Fannie Mae said they're going to drop to 4.5% sometime next year. I think they're overzealous. I think that's going to be probably in 2024, maybe early in 2024. But when that happens and interest rates start to drop, you're going to see housing prices skyrocket. So buy now before that happens. We'll refinance you. We'll get rid of PMI. We'll lower your payments. We'll lower your rate. But why buy now? Because right now sellers are motivated. You don't have to pay over ask price. They're not going to ask you to waive the appraisal. They're not going to ask you to waive home inspections. They're probably going to pay some closing costs, maybe even a rate buy down for you and do some repairs on the property. I'm seeing it every day. So first time home buyers or home buyers have an opportunity now they did not have 6 months ago, a year ago, 2 years ago, and even 3 years ago. So buy now. It's super important that you do, because as soon as we turn the corner on this inflation, you're going to see housing prices skyrocket. Everybody's going to get in the market. There's going to be another shortage of inventory. We still don't have an abundance of inventory, but there'll be even more of a shortage. And with Hurricane Ian, whatever its name was, it just caused more people to be displaced from their homes. So I mean, it's going to shrink that opportunity. So do it now. Now is a perfect time. Call me. My number's attached to this video email. Second thing you need to know, or third, or wherever it is. I'm holding a mastermind for real estate agents. And this is going to be top producing agents that are getting together to give you all of the tools you need to make an informed decision on buying or selling real estate. So if you are a top producing real estate agent, I only have 10 seats available for this mastermind. Call me. That will be on October the 24th at 12 p.m. Then I'm doing my Leapfrog wealth building program. Now, I developed a program to help people to buy multiple properties over a 20-year period of time to have $4 to $5 million in free and clear real estate, paying you $25,000 to $40,000 a month in rental income. How would you like that? And the best news is we're going to get other people to pay our mortgages off for us. You want to get into my program? That's going to be on Wednesday, November 2nd at 6 6 o'clock at Tibby's New Orleans Kitchen on Aloma Avenue in Winter Park. This is $15 a head to get in or $20 per couple, but I have limited seats available. You need to register now at webringyouhome.com. And the third big thing you need to know is the Fed's going to raise the Fed rate again. There you go. I said it earlier. It's not a surprise. It's going to happen. We're going to see interest rates go up again. It's going to continue to climb. But that gives buyers an opportunity that they didn't have. Listen, the rate is temporary. The rate you can adjust later on. It can be renegotiated after you buy. But what you can't renegotiate is the price of a house after you close. So housing prices are not going down. My friends, they're not going down. Don't listen to the news. It's BS. It's all hogwash to create hysteria. You know what's going to go down? I'll tell you what's going to go down. The opportunity to purchase a home now will decrease in the future because they're going to go up in value. They're not going down in value. We're already up 16.7% from this time last year. People say, oh, well, they've dropped in value by 2.2%. Big freaking deal. Who cares? You know what that drop in value was? The overinflated price that sellers were getting by just putting their housing on the market, and a realtor sticks a sign in the yard and goes, highest and best. By the way, conventional loans with 20% down only, and don't expect an appraisal waiver, and don't ask for repairs. You don't have to do that now, folks. It's all about the buyer right now. You have an opportunity. Don't miss out on it. Don't be afraid to get in the market when the market is ripe for you. That's my notification. That's my advice. Those are the three big things you need to know. And thank you for calling me. Appreciate you. Have a great day.